We in Rashid Center came to school a long time ago. I was in home school. I did maths with Isaac and with Mr. Honest, and we also did some shopping in the supermarket. And now I was 18. I came to the carpentry workshop. Now we learn how to make acrylic trophies and boxes. We make tissue boxes, trays, trophies, Quran stand. Today we make acrylic boxes, tissue boxes. We have chairs, table. We make trophies. We make wood boxes, and we make acrylic wood tissue boxes and everything.